everybody. Welcome. So honored to be your guest today, your guest speaker. A little bit about what I do. I'm a professional pond builder. I actually get paid for doing ponds and waterfalls. Our demonstration today is show you how you can do your own. And so you got to have something to keep the water in. You notice on the side, there's actually a hole. I want you to put it in front of you, and then I want you to have the hole facing where you're at. Okay, now what I want you to do is you have this and you have your 3 cans. So we have 1, 2, 3. I filled the cans with water because these cans are going to be the foundation for your water feature. They're not in the middle, they're on the outmost part of the plastic container. What we should end up with is this cord is outside and the pump is going to sit in the middle of the water feature. The top in one hand and grab your pump and put it on the other hand. Now mind you, this is the bottom with the ridges. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this gap. We're going to the pipe that comes out of the pump is gonna join this tube right here, like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend this is like a parachute, and we're just gonna float it down into the bottom between the 3 cans, right where it's like in the middle. And then you're gonna do that, and then once it hits the bottom, the pump hits the bottom of the container, we want to push down on the, see how it's loose right now? Well, we want to push down on this to where this is snug on the 3 cans. So this is snug. Now see how it's not moving at all? Because I just pushed down on this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these pieces and we're gonna put them on the cover. We're just gonna kind of like fill them in like a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle. So what I'm building here is gonna be unique. Nobody's ever built anything, nobody can ever build anything like this because all the rocks are different. This piece of slate, nobody's ever seen this piece of slate before because it's cut at different lengths and at different dimensions, and they're unique and they're one of a kind. And so what I'm building here is going to be totally different than what you're building. There's some similarities, but it's totally different. We have tiny little pebbles. We're not going to do these yet. And then we have medium-sized rocks and large rocks. We always start with the largest rocks first when we build a water feature. What we're going to do is we're going to lay those around on top of the slate. So now what I'm doing is I'm actually putting the bigger rocks on top of everything. And it's okay if a little bit of it goes all the way to the rim. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these out. And there's no right or wrong way. We're just kind of doing it. Fill it with water, but when you see it coming out of that hole, then you know that you filled up too much. Going to plug this into the outlet. So if everybody's ready, whoa! Whoa, man. There we go. Mike Garcia, and I just wanted to say thank you for allowing me, the 7 generations, to allowing me to teach a Zoom class today. We had so much fun. And you know, you can go online and you can buy like a tabletop fountain, but I gotta tell you, it's so much better when you can build it yourself. You're creating something from scratch, so that's what our class was about today. Join us in the future. Thank you.